Eric, we're Radiator Grille Store here doing an install on a 9972 911. We're going to be taking a look in this area. We're going to be covering up the left and rights, and we're also going to be doing the center grille install. When we're looking at this, we want to clean all this debris out before we do the install. But take a look what's in here. So to gain access to this area, it's pretty simple. We're going to remove this center crossbar here, and underneath you're going to see there's two clips here, and then it's inserted here and inserted here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to remove these two bottom here, two bottom there. We're just going to push it back, and we're going to easily remove it. We've got a couple things of debris in here. Let's go see what we got. We'll reach our hand in here. Of course, you know, do a shop vac is a nice thing to get in there. So we got, I don't know what that is, some stickers, cardboard, sticks, got some stones, styrofoam coming in here. There's still a whole bunch more junk, but we're gonna get a shop vac and we're gonna clean all this out, and then we'll start the side grill install. Right, we're ready to go. We're going to do the center install first, as we have access to get behind here with our hands. So we'll be able to help support the grill if needed. What we want to do is we want to clean this, this kind of satin black piece. This is where we're going to put the grill all the way up around this bump here. We're going to clean all along this with the supplied alcohol swab. This is not what we have, but we have some other substitute. So we're going to be doing the cleaning with that. And then if you want to clean your insides, cheers. We're going to do a dry fit. Just make sure everything fits right. We're going to be putting that up on that satin black area, and just make sure that it's going to fit appropriately, and you get an idea of where that 3M tape is going to go right along that edge. Here's the supplied 3M tape. This is going to be pressure sensitive adhesive, so you're going to need to hold it down there for about 10 to 30 seconds kind of, and work it inch by inch all the way along and around the perimeter. Also, this does not work in any temperatures below 65 degrees. Don't even attempt it. It's gonna be terrible. We're going to start right here at the license plate alignment area, and we're just going to work our way around. We're going to be holding as it's pressure sensitive, and just follow the edge all the way around, working back, making sure it's adhered well. And just working your way around. Here we're going to end just before the license plate alignment nub, and we'll just snip it right there. As you can see, we just followed the line of that satin black piece all the way around. So we like to start in the corner, and we're going to take a knife or a razor blade, very carefully slice through just the red outer protective film, and then we're going to peel it back like so. We have the grill roughly in place. We're going to start in that corner, and we're going to start by pulling these backing, the red backer, towards the front and get that in front of the grill. Then we're going to come over and we're going to utilize flexing of the bumper to get a little bit of extra room, because this is a tight fit. And we can actually get our hands behind here to start that in the corner, and we'll utilize our fingernails to grip onto the trim piece and pull it and hold it, pull it and hold it, and keep working your way around inch by inch. Now you can see that we've gone almost all the way around, at least through these corners. We're utilizing this opening here, getting our hand back here, kind of maneuvering the grill. We can be moving the bumper. We can be extending this area here to get a really nice tight fit. and we're just going to continue working our way around until we're complete here. All right, next we're going to do the passenger side and driver side, install the same way. You can protect your paint with a little bit of painter's tape, but the install is pretty simple. As long as you're careful, you'll be fine. So we'll take the passenger side grill and we're going to insert it into the top area here. We're going to turn it upside down and we're going to put it into the cavity. And we're going to help it all the way to the back and we'll get it in there. Now, if you want to install the center strake, you do that now. If not, you can leave it like this and it gives it a little bit of different look. So if you want to install the center strake, this is the time to do it. And we're going to be installing the fatter end is going to be towards the bottom, the skinnier end towards the top. And we're just going to insert it like so. Find the top hole there. And then we're going to align it with the bottom hole. And then we're just going to push it back gently and clip it in. Now we're going to take the grill and we're going to take it by both ends of the cable ties and we're going to be moving it towards the front. And we want to wrap it around the top and bottom strakes here. We want to loosely connect because we're going to want to align it and we're also going to want to adjust these receiving ends. We're going to be rotating these receiving ends towards the back. So just loosely connect right now all 4 cable ties. We have the cable ties loosely installed. We're going to be rotating them while tightening. And we're going to be rotating the receiving end towards the back so we can hide it. And pull and rotate and pull and rotate. And we'll do that for each one of them, snugging them up little by little. We don't want to tighten any one of them yet. We just want to make sure everything's aligned before we do the tightening. So we want to be rotating this receiving end back. So as we tighten, we want to kind of push it back, tighten some more, push it back, and then seat it in the corner here. Once it's all in place, we're going to clip off the ends. And here we go. Here's the finished product on the Porsche 911 997.2. You can check these out and more at radiatorgrillestore.com.